Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have this Android smartwatch. Let's open it together. It has SIM card, App Store, WeChat, Wi-Fi and data. Also scrolling hidden camera. Here it is the watch. The screen is really big, 1.85 inch. It have blood sensor and buttons. Let's turn it on. Okay, it's on already. Let's check what also included. Here we can find charger, also some manuals. The watch price is $62. You can use my discount codes. Just copy the code and you'll get $5 off. Use the code when you check out. This is the watch. The link is the description. The link is in description with the coupon codes. The watch itself is really big, but it's good, not like other watches. If you want to buy this watch, the link is in the description with some coupons. I bought it from AliExpress. Use my link to support this channel. Okay, let's wear it on and see how it looks on my hand. One moment. Here it is. As you see, I have skinny hand, but it look okay. If your hand is big, it will look good on you. Let's see what option is here. You can change the watch skin. I really like this one. By clicking this button, you enter the menu. The watch is Android phone. It's not the Bluetooth one who need another phone to connect. This watch can't be connected to your phone unless you download some apps. It have playstore. You can download games. Also, you can download ChatGPT to help you with this watch. It have a camera. You pull this to unlock the camera. You can turn it to record your face. Let's see what's in the settings. We have the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, display and all other normal settings. Storage is 32 GB, more than enough for a watch. I really like this big screen. It's easy to manage and all the text is clear. The watch name is GT100. It have Android 9. Let's write the calculator. It's okay. To get back, just do like this. Let's write the keyboard. Go to the browser. Keyboard is better. Okay, you can put this down to check your notifications. Let's try measuring my heartbeat. It can measure your heartbeat, your blood oxygen, and the blood pressure. May need some time to display average. That's a really good watch. To insert your SIM, you need to check out this one. Pull this metal down like this. Here it is. Here you can put your SIM card. Be careful when you put it back. Good. You can download more skins. Or select your photo. This look is more classical, and this is a close look to the watch. Let's check the menu again. You can change the menu on the style you like. Maybe this one is more clear and easy. And this is all the apps included. As I said, to prevent consuming power, use the ultra saving mode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also visit my Telegram group for more unboxing video and coupons. Check my Telegram. Happy shopping and thank you all.